Hi, I'm Tom Barsotti, Sales Development Manager for Hobart Warewash. Today I'd like to share with you the exclusive technologies that set our AM16 door-type dishwasher apart from the competition. The AM16 delivers our legendary Hobart Clean, removing more tough food soil with less labor time and the industry's best lifetime value. There are 4 technologies that you should lead with when presenting the AM16. Our first technology is automatic soil removal, which pumps food soil out of the wash water and into an easy-to-empty external scrap basket. This allows operators to let more food soil go in, which cuts pre-scrapping labor time by 20%. It also keeps wash water cleaner for longer, reducing wash water changes by as much as 50%. Our second technology is drain water energy recovery. It recycles the heat energy from hot drain water to preheat cold water going into the booster. This saves up to 20% on energy costs, and because it cools the drain water, it reduces the water needed for drain water tempering by 90%. Our third technology is compact ventless energy recovery. It condenses heat and steam out of the wash chamber and recycles the heat to preheat cold water going into the booster. This is going to save 15% on energy consumption and more than $3,500 on installation costs by eliminating the need for a vent hood. Our fourth technology is auto D-line. This lets the operator know when it's time to D-line the machine and then automatically pumps D-limer into the machine, including the booster. This improves operator safety, extends machine life, and helps reduce the number of D-line cycles that are needed, saving 50% or more on cleaning time and D-limer chemical costs. In addition to these great technologies, the AM16 is available in a tall height option, allowing customers to wash a variety of large prepware, including up to 6 sheet pans at one time. Along with these great features, Hobart makes selling and supporting the AM16 easy, giving you more time to sell. The AM16 comes in standard voltage configurations, single point electrical connections, and has an automatic pump drain, providing easy installation without requiring you or your customer to manage a lot of costly utility upgrades. All of our Advances models, including the AM16, come with a free Hobart service startup to configure and optimize the machine for trouble-free operation and avoid nuisance service calls. And when you have Hobart service installed the machine, customers get an additional 6 months of extended warranty free. That's a total of 18 months of support for your customer from Hobart Service and not from you, so you can focus more time on selling. Great features for your customer and great support from Hobart make the AM16 a great opportunity for you. You can learn more about other features on the AM16 by visiting hobartcorp.com/AM16. And of course, if you have any questions, the Hobart team is here to support you. Thanks for your time and have a great day.